Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega.
نکات، گرامرها و مکالمات باقی مانده از سطح A1. از ضمایر مفعولی object pronouns. وقتی کسی یا چیزی مفعول جمله است، از این ضمایر استفاده می کنیم. فاعلی، مفعولی. مثال I, me, he likes me. او من را دوست دارد. You, I see you. تو را می بینم. He, him, I know him. من او را می شناسم. I love her. من او را دوست دارم. It, I have it. من آن را دارم. We, us, she helps us. او به ما کمک می کنم. I call them every day. هر روز به آنها زنگ می زنم. تمرین ساده. I love Ali, I love him. I help Fatima, I help her. حروف اضافه زمان. حرف اضاف. کاربرد مثال. In ماها، سالها، فصلها. In 2025, in summer, in January. On روزها، تاریخها. On Monday, on July 19th. At ساعتها، شب، ظهر شب. At 6 o'clock at night. مثالها. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I go to school on Monday. I was born in 2000. اسم مفرد جمع. حالت، قاعده مثال. معمولی S book books. پایان S X. bus buses پایان بعد از حرف بی صدا. Y babies. بی قاعده child children man men woman women. foot feet tooth ترتیب آنها. صفتها قبل از اسم میان. a beautiful flower. a big red car. ترتیب صفات وقتی چند تا داری. opinion size color noun. مثلا a beautiful small white cat. superlative در سطح A1 فقط حالت سادهش آموزش داده میشه. نو ساختار مثال. مقایسه‌ای تر از ear than my house is bigger than yours. Ali, the plus est. She is the tallest girl. نکات big, bigger, the biggest. Happy, happier, the happiest. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. شکل سوالات با W. کلمه پرسشی معنی مثال سال what چی. What is your name? Where are you from? When کی. When is your birthday? Who چه کسی. Who is your friend? Why چرا. Why are you sad? How چگونه. How are you? How old چند ساله. How old are you? How much چقدر. How much is it? How much is it? How many apples do you have? زمان حال استمراری است. در سطح A1 این زمان خیلی مهمه چون برای الان در حال انجام دادن کاری بودن استفاده میشه. ساختار am is are plus فعل کمکی. مثال I am studying. He, she, it is cooking. You, we, they are playing. که الان در حال انجامشه I'm watching TV now. کاری موقتی در زمان حال He's living in Tehran these days. اویچ افعال کمکی can, can't. توانستن، نتوانستن. حالت، ساختار، مثال. مثبت can فعل ساده I can swim. میتونم شنا کنم. منفی can't فعل ساده I can't drive. نمیتونم رانندگی کنم. سوالی فاعل you help me. Can you help me? نکته بعد از can فعل هیچ وقت اس نمیگیره. He can play. فعال have got, has got در بریتیش انگلیش خیلی رایجه. فعال ساختار مثبت منفی سوالی I, you, they. Have got, haven't got. Have you got a car? He, she, it has got, hasn't got. Has she got a phone? مثالها I've got a dog. She hasn't got any money. Some, any, an. واژه کاربر مثال an برای مفرد قابل شمارش a car. An apple some برای جمع یا غیر قابل شمارش در جمله مثبت some apples. Any برای سوالی و منفی any water? I don't have any apples. نکته I have a pen. I don't have any pens. Do you have any water? I have some milk. Either that. زمان حال ساده با افعال احساسی و فکری افعالی مثل like, love, hate, know, want, need, think, understand در حال ساده میان نه استمراری. مثال I like coffee. She loves cats. I think you're right. I want a new phone. 12. زمان حال ساده با شغلها و معرفیها مثلا I'm a teacher. He's a doctor. She works in a bank. We study English every day. عبارات زمان عبارت معنی مثال Every day, هر روز. I go to school every day. In the morning, I get up in the morning. At night, shabha, I watch TV at night. On weekends, آخر هفته ها, we go out on weekends. Now, hal I'm studying now. Today, imruz, it's hot today. Alamat persishi ba to be. What's your name? Where is your mother? Who is that man? How is your father? How old is she? Famsin, جملات پایه برای مکالمه واقعی پرسیدن اطلاعات. What's your job? Where do you live? How do you spell your name? Pursidan Masir. Excuse me, where's the bank? Is it far from here? How can I get there? Dar restaurant? I'd like a sandwich, please. Can I have some water? The food is very good. Dar Mokalami Telefoni A1. Can I speak to Ali, please? To Yad Girafti? Sorry, he's not here right now. Have, has, got. Present simple, present continuous, can, can't. Question, some, any. And adjective comparison prepositions. Prepositions of place. Countable, uncountable nouns. There is our daily routines. Family, food, jobs, vocabulary. Yani, esh kam Fatima.